Your grandpa hello.
First step, like this.
Now tell him who's calling. Not at the moment.
Hi, Wesley.
You do.
You coming to come see your grandpa?
Don't get too excited. That's part of the holiday. See, he's really excited, isn't he? Don't get too excited.
You're cute as a little bug.
Yeah, I think this is the longest we've ever done.
You're cute as a little bug. Oops! Fall down, go boom. Yeah! Fall down, go boom.
Yay, Wesley!
Hey!
Clap for yourself.
And I would think that's pretty good.
He walked quite a ways. I mean, he walked from over there to over here.
Pretty good.